MIVAL has specialised in industrial valves since 1967. The widely recognised quality of its products has produced the rapid growth of this company that, in the space of a few years, has evolved from a workshop into a modern factory with over 9,000 square metres of built area based in Bornate of S.r.l, Sesia. In 40 years, MIVAL has become well known in the international market for its professionalism and the reliability of its products. The company has always paid special attention to quality and safety. All the working stages from design to product processing are guaranteed by a great number of international certifications, including UNI, EN, ISO 9001. MIVAL valves are series produced up to DN 300. On request, they can also be manufactured in larger diameters. The core business of the company is the production of bellows valves, non-rising and rising spindle valves. The materials mainly used are grey cast iron, spheroid cast iron, carbon steel, stainless steel. In addition to the main production, there are lines of check valves and valves with electric and pneumatic actuator. MIVAL also manufactures filters and butterfly valves in grey cast iron, spheroid cast iron, carbon steel and stainless steel. The rising spindle valves by MIVAL stand out from competitor products with the inclusion, even in the standard model, of rise limiter, double anti-sliding thrust bearing, lubricator, stop screw, travel indicator, not rotating rising spindle, safety back seat on the spindle, rotating disc. All these are particularly important details that make the product extremely reliable. Bellows valves, the cutting-edge product of the company, are totally maintenance-free and guarantee top safety levels. MIVAL valves can be equipped, according to the values of pressure drop and the type of medium, with a variety of discs in order to better meet the functional needs of the machine on which they will be installed. The following discs are available for this purpose: flat discs, regulating discs, Teflon soft sealed discs, Teflon soft seal regulating discs, balanced discs for high pressures. 30 years experience combined with constant experimentation of new models and investments in technology is what makes MIVAL successful. The heart of production is the factory, where careful organisation, the high specialisation of workers and advanced technologies combine to generate excellent products. The quality of the process starts from the selection of suppliers and raw materials. MIVAL can count on specialised and certified foundries and steel mills, which are periodically supervised. Raw components are carefully examined in order to check their quality and their traceability in compliance with the PED directive. Manufacturing activities are organised in 4 production lines: bodies, bars, bonnet and yoke. All of these operations are performed by the most advanced NC machines or even robotised machines. The processing of bars, which are accurately selected, is done on special lathes to obtain discs, spindles and other necessary details. After processing the components, these are welded through plasma gas in order to create the bellows. The safety of the bellows in terms of tightness is extremely important, to the point that this component is tested both under pressure, by blowing air inside, and under vacuum, with a helium control. This makes it possible to guarantee an analysis limit at 0.3 times 10 to the power of minus 7 millibar litre second by performing tests comparable in terms of severity to those used in the nuclear industry. A fundamental part of the manufacturing process performed by MIVAL is the complete processing of the body, which takes place on specific CNC stations. At the same time as this processing phase, the worker assembles the components, thus obtaining a finished product. At the end of the assembling operations directly in the workstation, every single valve is submitted to testing in compliance with the standard N12266. Valves are automatically painted, either in standard colours or as requested. The different types of valves are periodically submitted to stress tests, in which the most critical operating conditions are set in order to check whether the products are constantly reliable. MIVAL products can successfully pass the most severe tests, partly thanks to components being designed to take higher stresses than necessary, so that they can cope with extreme working conditions. The annual production of bellows valves, totalling over 40,000 units, ensures that they are fully available in the warehouse, including the line of stainless steel products. This is how MIVAL can guarantee its customers high-quality products, always available for immediate delivery. MIVAL's key to success is by focusing attention on customers. The sales department and its network, which are strongly oriented towards offering expert before and after sales service, are the ideal partners for a market that needs not only quality products, but also cooperation and flexibility. These values have enabled MIVAL to be successful internationally by becoming the partner of important companies which need valve supplies to implement extremely important and prestigious installations and works. MIVAL: experience, innovation and dynamism in the production of industrial valves.